Or are you having problems with your Aircash app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed the Aircash app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and in here I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. So as you can see, we're just going to now wait a couple of seconds for this page to load, and when it's done, we're just going to scroll up in here until we can see the search bar up top. So click on search, and in here we're just going to search for Aircash and just click on the Aircash app. Now click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Then click on the blue button here once again. And just simply wait for your Aircash app now to completely update to its latest version. So basically I did this myself, and when it was done updating, I just went back into my app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.